The CARE Complete Smiles program is a continuation of a project started by previous Schweitzer Fellows, Adam Robinson and Glenn Baldwin. The goal of our project was simple: to provide free dentures and partials to the patients who are being treated at the CARE Dental Clinic. CARE is a student-run volunteer clinic that provides free dental care to the underserved members of the Durham community. In terms of the details of our project, our goals were to provide 13 patients with both partials and dentures. We also wish to create denture kits to help them take care of their prostheses, as well as a brochure educating our patients on proper oral hygiene as well as proper care of their denture or partial. We also wish to maintain sustainable relationships with partners in the community to allow the continuation of our project. In terms of the details of our project, as far as outcomes of our project, we were able to complete treatment on 8 patients, and we delivered 12 prostheses to them in total. 4 patients are still undergoing treatment as we speak, and they will continue treatment under our new junior denture coordinator, Imani Allen. For all the patients treated, the results from the OHIP 14 survey revealed improvements in all categories following the delivery of their partials or dentures. As far as outcomes, we are excited for Imani to become the new head denture coordinator when we graduate, and she will continue treating the patients that are still in process of getting their dentures. We are excited for her to continue this project under CARE, as many more CARE patients are interested in getting dentures and partials. We are excited for Imani to be a big thank you to the Albert Schweitzer Fellowship Program for allowing us to continue this project. We also would like to thank our academic and site mentors, Dr. Clark, Dr. Allison, and Dr. Nicholson. A very special thank you to Mr. Greg Walton and Dental Designs Lab for providing us dentures and partials at no cost. And finally, thank you to the entire SNDA CARE team, especially Robbie Wu and Imani Allen, for allowing this project to be the success that it was. A big thank you to the Albert Schweitzer Fellowship Program for allowing us to continue this project. We also would like to thank our academic and site mentors, Dr. Clark, Dr. Allison, and Dr. Nicholson. A very special thank you to Mr. Greg